In the previous sessions, we have learnt about unique constraint, not null constraint, primary key, check, and foreign key constraint. Now, let's check about how we can create constraints on multiple columns. So we know how to create a primary key. Previously, if we had to mention a primary key on a particular column, after the data type, we just used to mention primary space key. Now, if we have to mention more than one column as the primary key, we can mention at the end of all the columns. Here I said sales date, customer ID, product ID, quantity and amount. So once I finish defining all the columns, separate it by comma and then mention constraint, which is the keyword, and the constraint name. Here my constraint name is product underscore dt underscore pk, and mention the constraint which you want. Here I want a primary key, so primary space key, and in the brackets list all the columns which you want to be part of the primary key. So here in this example, I am saying the combination of sales date, customer ID and product ID has to be unique and not null. Okay. Now let's create this table. Create table sales hist, sales date, customer ID, number, product ID, number, quantity, number, amount, number. Now I have finished defining all the columns. Now constraint, the constraint name, I'll give it as product dt pk. What the constraint do I need? I need a primary key constraint, and open the brackets, and I want sales date, customer ID and product ID to be part of my constraint. So I create the content. See now table sales is created. This is how I can create a primary key constraint on more than one column. So whenever you insert the values into the sales table, this combination has to be unique and no null values are accepted in these three columns.